Vaporwave, originally a music genre branching from electric chill wave, but the unique and iconic visual aesthetic cultivating alongside it got more popular and recognizable than the music itself by now. The genre emerged in 2011 from online communities. It rose in popularity with the decline of C-punk. And while the two certainly share a lot of similarities, there is a difference between the two. The key difference between the C-punk and Vaporwave aesthetic is that C-punk had much more focus on early 90s CGI and aquatic life, and Vaporwave found a broader audience by simply highlighting 80s until 2000s. The lo-fi vibes of the PS1 style goes harmonically with the Vaporwave aesthetic, so I made you guys a posable, low-poly PS1 style David statue by Michelangelo. If you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing, like this video please, and leave comments below this video. And if you really want to support this channel, consider becoming a Patreon like those lovely people. The Vaporwave and the PS1 style, like other aesthetics, gives you a hard nostalgia. So let's stay nostalgic and see you in the next one.